Good morning. It is Saturday morning. It is super early this morning. I've been up since 5 a.m. packing orders to ship this morning, Saturday. I believe it's August 31st, and it is definitely Labor Day weekend. But I have scheduled the orders here to go out Saturday. Customers will receive them on, I believe, Tuesday, no later than Wednesday. So I haven't labeled them yet. Like I said, I've been up since 5 a.m. mixing, adding all my ingredients to each and everything, and then I will label them. Here is sample set 2 already with the scalp wipes. I need to put the labels on. I got up early this morning, packed them, and so now I need to just put the labels on. Same thing with the extra strength nettle hair growth oil, the pure nettle oil, the scalp tonic, as well as the hair mask. So this is Saturday morning, up, getting everything ready. Here is stinging nettle, scalp tonic. Here's the extra strength hair growth oil. So I have separated each order, and so let me get the I need to make up the boxes and get everything packed and off to the post office this morning. Here's the order that I am in the process of getting ready to ship out. My customer ordered the scalp stinging nettle scalp tonic, the hair mask. She ordered the scalp wipes as well as the hair growth oil, and I have each of the cups for the cup for the scalp wipes, the cup to put in her scalp nettle tonic, and I have the tweezers to take out the scalp wipes, the spoon to stir up the hair mask. My husband shampooed the carpet Friday morning, last Friday, and it looked so good. I couldn't believe how dirty it was. I have 2 towels lying here on the floor. I'm going to go to Lowe's today and get some runners to put on our carpet, so that this area here is the heavy traffic area leading to my office, our bedroom, as well as the upstairs bathroom. So this walk area here in front of the fireplace was so dirty. I couldn't believe how dirty it was. But it's just my husband and I in this house, and we don't walk on our carpet simply because the color of this carpet, but he cleaned this carpet so well. And so I am going to go to Lowe's and buy some runners and take up the towels here and put some runners down. I love looking at my plants. I look at them every Friday, fill the soil to see if they need more watering. But what I love here, look at my monstera. There are 2 new leaves here, and look at how they are unraveling. They already have the slits in them, and so they're beginning to unravel. Such a beautiful, beautiful plant. I love this plant. It is getting so large. You wouldn't believe that where I found this plant at. I found this plant at Kroger's. Yes, I found this plant at Kroger's, and I paid only $12 for this huge plant. Although when I purchased it about a month ago, it wasn't this big. I mean, it was a big plant. I was surprised to see that it was only $12, $11.99. So they only had 2 left, and I put it in my buggy so fast and went straight to the register to find out exactly how much this plant is, because monsteras are very expensive just for a small size of this plant. I have mine and it's growing so great. So I'm off to Lowe's to get some runners for my carpet, and I'm going to pick up some potting soil and a couple of pots and repot some of my plants because they need repotting. So off to Lowe's. Okay, so I bought a 10-foot and two 6-feet. So I have one here at the entranceway from the kitchen leading into the living room and down through the hallway. I need to get more, so I need to put the other one down. And the third runner, the other 6 feet runner, I put from the bathroom across from our bedroom. So I have the runners put down and it looks pretty nice. I need to get more, so I will get more maybe next week. I purchased 3 more plants from Lowe's. They had a wonderful sale. This poor plant here, it's a hanging basket plant. It is actually called a string of bananas. I've seen this on several houseplant tour videos, and I wanted one, and so I purchased this one. It was only $3. Look at it, lots of dead leaves in here, but I am going to try and save her. So yeah, that's one plant I got, and I did buy my potting soil, and I also purchased this beauty. I've also seen on houseplant tours, and this is I can't even say the name, but I'll just put it up, a Dracaena whatever. I'll put it on the screen. The third plant I purchased is called a Prostrata. I'm not sure. I'll put it on the screen as well, and it takes medium light. So it is another hanging basket plant. It is really cute. I like the small little fine leaves on here. So yeah. So now I need to transplant a couple of plants, and I am going to go outside for that. Okay, I only transplanted only 2 of my plants. And my new babies I hung here on my stand until my husband installed some hooks for me to hang my plants, so I just hung them here. And then my snake plant, I repotted it into a bigger container. So it looks really good. So I only have 28 to go. Good morning. It is Sunday morning. Enjoying the sound of the rainfall out here on my patio. I am going to end this Sunday vlog, this weekend vlog, Sunday. I am going to prep for a hair video and a 5K giveaway. So this completes my weekend vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.